How to turn off reel and post sharing on Instagram. So to start, we'll have to open our Instagram account, and then in here we'll have to go to our profile. To do that, tap on your profile picture, and then in here on our profile, tap on these three lines. After that, under settings, we'll have to scroll down and then look for this option, sharing and reuse. What we need to do is to tap on this one. After that, you will now see this option, allow people to share your content. Under that, there are three options, post and reels to stories. We will have to disable this one. And then we'll have to do the same process with the remaining options. After that, you will also have to go on this allow people to create with and reuse your content. What you need to do is to toggle off the post and reel option. So that's how easy we can turn off reel and post sharing on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.